Hi guys. Okay, we're in a weird setup because my entire house is torn apart from moving right now. And I'm in my bedroom. This is the only place in my house that is not 100% torn apart. So this is where we're filming. It's a weird setup. I am sorry, but this is what you deal with. My cat is decided to come check things out. He's not used to the bed being made, so he's wondering what the heck's going on. But let's just jump right into it. Today we're going to be doing a project pan update. Now, I got my basket of products, and I am feeling fall and Halloween. My shirt says it's Hocus Pocus Time Witches. I got, the fall eyes going, and I got my Halloween cup. I'm excited. Let's start with some empties. The first product I have is my Rue 21 ETC or etc. Perfume. We were here, and it's completely empty. And to replace it, I brought in the Physicians Formula Butter Paradise perfume. As you can see, we were there, now we're here. I will mark it real quick. I love this scent too. This scent is very, it smells like the Physicians Formula bronzer, which I love. I love that scent in general. So we made about that much progress. Not anything crazy, but enough. I love that scent though. It's just very like coconutty and summery, which I love. It's really weird filming here because right here to this side is a bunch of natural light because it's a giant window that shows my front door. So if anybody walks outside my apartment, I can see them and they can see me. Oh, so much fun. Okay, and so that's the first empty. And then the next empty I have is my primer. I used up the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. So we were here, it's completely gone. As soon as I start trying to film, they start to mow and weed whack the lawn. So bear with me, you guys. It's a mess. But I did use this up, and to replace it, I brought in the Touch and Soul No Problem Priming Water. And we were here when I brought it in, and now we're down here. I'll mark it real quick so you can see the difference. So we've used about that much, a decent amount. This has got rose water in it, and I don't know how I feel about that. It's very hydrating, which I love, but I don't know, I'm not a fan of the rose. So we'll see if I like it. But the next and last empties I have is my In Beauty Project Power Dual Phase Setting Mist. And we were here. You can see that line, and it's completely gone now. And then I did bring in the other one I have, because I did say I had another one, and we'll use this one just because the product itself is really, really nice. It's the mister. It's a very, concentrated mist, and I don't like that, so I do want to use this up because I do like the product itself. We started there, and now we're down here, so I will mark it real quick. So we were up here, and now we're right down here. I've used a decent amount. And then my foundations. Now, I'm making progress slowly, but I am making progress. This is my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation. We were here, and let's mark it. So as you can tell, we didn't make very much progress, but we are getting down to the very end, so it is going to be harder to mark. And then the same thing with the Misha Perfect Cover BB Cream. We were here, and I will mark it real quick. We are now here, and this one again is getting down to that really weird spot where it's hard to mark. So hopefully they'll just be gone by next check-in. I also just checked my marker. Hopefully they'll just be gone by next check-in and make it super easy to mark, and I can just call them gone. And then the next item I have, let's move on to concealer. So as you can see, there's a giant hole in the bottom. We are making progress. We really, really are. We're starting to wear away at the sides, which is great because there was so much product in here, and a little bit went a very long way. You can see the hole down at the bottom. We are starting to scrape the sides and things, which is so nice. I'm excited to use that up. And then the only powders I have are in my Tarte Parka Princess palette. And we really have been making progress on these. I'm wearing them today. I love how they wear. So we definitely are making progress. I'll have pictures up at the screen. And then on the same note, let's move on to my bronzer. I've used this maybe once this month. You can see there's a little bit of a dent starting. Not anything crazy. And then my other bronzer is the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. Almost, you guys. Almost. It's almost gone. I will be excited when this thing is gone. It is almost gone, but... And then blush. I've given up on this blush, you guys. Truly, truly have. Look at this. No difference. We're making the tiniest dent, but nothing. And then highlighters, I have my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Crystal Ball Skin Frost. We are making quite a bit of progress in there. And then I have the Susan Dreammaker highlight, which we were down here, and then I will mark it. So we were there, now we're there. We made the smallest amount of progress, not anything crazy. I just haven't been wearing a lot of makeup recently, so the progress isn't very great. And then let's move on to my eyeshadow primer. For eyeshadow primer, I have my NYX Professional eyeshadow base in white. We are definitely getting down to the edge. Like, I have made a huge dent in this from when I first started. I can definitely tell. And then I have my Tarte Top Yacht Chrome Paint. Looks like this. Again, we are making quite a nice dent in it, but a little bit goes a long way. I have it in my inner corners today. I'm actually wearing all my Project Pan items, so if you guys are curious what anything looks like, I'm wearing all of it right now. And then we have brows. So I have my ABH Dip Brow in Blonde, which we're slowly but surely getting somewhere. Again, this is another product that a little bit goes a very long way. And then I have my Benefit Highbrow, which is, I use this as my eyeliner. Looks like this, and we will mark it with the lid off. So as you can tell, the solid black line is where we were last month, and the one underneath it is where we are this month. Just a little bit of progress, not anything crazy. And the very last product is it's in my Too Faced lip injection, but it is the Physician Formula Pop the Bubbly Mira blush, or not blush, lipstick. And as you can see, we are scraping the sides on this, so there's not very much product left in this. There's also a hair on it, so that's cute. You can see we are scraping the sides, so I think we have like month and a half of use left. We are getting down to the very end of it, which I'm very happy, but I am wearing it today. And I love the way it looks. It's very hydrating too, which I love. But you guys, that is everything. That is my Project Pan update. Let me know if you guys are doing a Project Pan. If so, I'd love to hear what you're using up. Have you used any of the products I'm using? Do you like them? What do you think? I'd love to know your thoughts and opinions. We only have about 2.5, 3 months left. And then we will see. I don't think I'll hit pan on my blush before the end of the year, which is very disappointing. I definitely think I have a few products I can use up by the end of the year, but let me know your thoughts and opinions. I love to hear them. Are you guys excited for Halloween as well? If you guys are, follow me on Instagram, because once a week in October, I will be posting a Halloween makeup look. I've done Beetlejuice already. I will have the pictures up here. And I have something exciting planned for next week, but let me know what you guys think. I love to hear your thoughts and opinions. That is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And I can't wait to see the next one. Bye!